Philo, what are you looking at the below? If you know, say once we don't fall in your TV screen like this, we don't carry all the church and things that concern you on a spluffic evening taste. This now your show that they call BOBOS YARN, and you know, say this one on your every night tonic. We go make your sleep sweet, silence, and the show with the sound you better things on top, babies and bubbles them. I beg another spluffic Tuesday, but this I say, I hope so your walk they very spluffic today. But waiting, sit back, enjoy the show. You know, so I not go feel every day here alone all by myself. I get the one and only peace ambassador, MC Chakra.
Yes, Ugo. Good to see you again today.
Now so.
You know, so many things they happen for the nation.
Plenty.
I was watching the screening today.
They see postpone this guy on.
No, I met you on the gas to be postponed. You know, say when your file too big, things where somebody put allegation say you thief my goat. One say you cut one leg of my fowl. One say you do this one. So you know plenty they got shifter. But the one way interests me more now, the wife of one of the senators. Welcome, Ajia, Abba, something. Yeah. You know. So the Senate president say make the husband first ask her question.
Our husband.
Yes, now. So the husband just summarize everything. Say for you to don't serve for 3 different offices, 3 different governments. She don't do House of Rep. 1 tenor, 2nd tenor, 3rd tenor, and say nobody don't carry you go court. Nobody don't put any allegation say you do this. What if they say make you take a bow and go? How will you feel? The old senator say, my madam, take a bow and go.
Many churches approve.
It's approved.
Man.
It's good to friend a senator. So no, marry a senator.
Marry a senator. That's all. Yes, when I don't see my other guy with this studio with us today, we send showman. Don't be say we send ourselves. You don't see go back that same place where you go that last time.
I beg leave showman and just say wahus.
Wahus.
They're not all been a combat together. When you call me, I say me and Showman with the waka come back.
So.
Showman just turn back.
Why?
Waiting else.
You don't already talk about say be wahus.
He be wahus now.
And you go this year and they say I'm a veg.
Showman know they see you know say in short they like tall girls. I don't know whether they climb ladder go meet them. Just one tall fine girl with better kaka. That's so Showman turn. Follow.
It won't help in generation.
No wonder we not even pick my corner. Only you they pick my own.
It won't help in generation.
Showman. Akwange showman. Ebe no. Don't worry. Come happy go do come first. But as Shakara will always say, may thunder.
May thunder have his way.
I beg yes when I don't see our guy with inside bar with us today. This now our person, one and only Lucky Child.
Yes, sir.
Ex-comedian of the Federal Republic.
Yes, sir. Ugo.
Yes,
all the BOBOS YARN there. Shakara too fast. I'm not good for distance. Go.
Lucky Child is very lucky. God has blessed him. He has been lucky with a wife.
Okay.
Yes.
We needed to say that so that because of I guess when they watch us, some of them their head go to their house. They just begin house of your number and pin. I don't know whether you mind or you don't mind. In case your wife, you can see his ring.
Okay,
so concentrate on the ringless guys.
The ringless ones for now.
This one is taken. So
yes, I get one matter I want to.
The way these guys they take quick to they sell in market, and they too they like them.
You got to sell your market, my brother.
I think be rival today, so quickly tell them.
Me they know.
Quick.
Rivalry is not around for now. Bosco is not here.
No, Bosco
is the rival that you have. In fact, I'm tired of that man. I'm tired.
I'll represent him.
Yes, matter of today, guys. Now, make we look am like this. I go put am like this. Say we dey seriously in need. Say you dey seriously in need at first. You need cash seriously. Now, your partner can't do one kind thing. Now crime sharp, and your partner guys go jail. But he get to think go solve them. Now he bring me to this question: if then dash you 30 million naira, and your partner they go jail. And now that 30 million are what you need seriously. And at the end of the day, 29 million from that 30 million, now you go take bill your partner. What you go do?
You call me 1 million.
Yes.
Partner. if you put a clear small, if you help me, whether the partner or a wife, I've been a...
Or a business partner.
I've been a girlfriend.
No. Girlfriend, wife, anyone.
No, specify
No, because if you cannot call girlfriend...
No, man put a girlfriend and wife.
Girlfriend and wife.
Yes.
Okay, make I answer that this way. Wife will feel temper justice with money. You understand? Will feel use that money, solve that problem, make she no go jail. But girlfriend, the reason why I say but girlfriend, and I don't say girlfriend for Nigeria, not the guarantee. Even the one way now today, one girl they gist me for, in fact, I will show you. She they gist me for WhatsApp. Say what happened to her. She's supposed to marry this year. The guy which they date for 3 years, the guy get 2 children. Outside, she no know. Wow. You understand? Get 2 children and wife, and the guy don't carry her to his own family house. That means this relationship crime. Some family they evolve, understand? And carcass. As you come, they don't tell you say this our Pekin. My sister. Then all of them support him as a single man and everything. You understand? So relationship is not enough to sacrifice such money. If you ask me.
But really, the thing I say...
Girlfriend.
Yeah, you will get some kind of men who be say, they never marry the girl, but they love and pieces. You know, say, the rate where people they take love, they're very different. So I don't see guys who be say, they love woman, so they rent them house, they buy them house, they do everything. At the end of the day, the woman say no do again. Then work out their bone, then lock up. But let's not face facts. This one I say, love itself, they make you do so many stupid things. Love itself, they make you look away from so many things. Now your girlfriend, now person you deal with 24/7. Something happened to them. They're at the verge of going to jail. And you need this money. Now 30 million you get, and they're gonna say 29 million now be the bill. How you think say you go take handle the matter? Because really, people there will be say they go do and feel it on their own.
Well, since no be all the money I won't put, because the money na 30 million. I will use 29 million take bail her. 1 million still remain. Money where it go, they come. And the way I love this girl, if I leave and go jail, things will happen.
I love you, Lucky.
I'll bail her. I will throw the 29 million for her to come home.
Lucky is an advocate for
she go come home. She go come. I don't know. I know a man. This one a man who get accidents. He can't dey with her for how long? The girlfriend, they suffer with her, they love him. You know, so when this guy begin working, this guy go carry another girl, marry. So what if all the sacrifice when they talk? If we are not married, Lucky, that's why they say, do you know how much is 29 million?
Okay, excuse me now. In the other way around, if now you it happen to, say now you won't go jail. The girl get the 30 million.
Well, now her choice. You understand?
You go say she like, make she do.
Now her choice. I cannot force her now. You understand? I cannot force her.
Ugo,
I don't date people.
A bad boy is always a bad boy.
Not a matter of a bad boy, it's always a bad boy.
This guy is
Lucky, let me tell you. Lucky child, see, let me tell you something. I don't date girls who get money. We be say, I don't say this one, he hold bar.
True.
But I don't come tell you, say, come carry back, come give me, say...
But there is a situation
But
here
if you do them by yourself, when I did plan my first show, I did this girl will get money, we reach to sponsor the show. But she did not. Did I force her? I don't know, say this one, true love, no...
You know, they... Yes, I like that word they use now. True love, you know, they...
Now, something I want to really understand, Shakarana, say, we get men where we say, then they love to infinity.
Yes.
Their love now something where we say, it comes from within.
From within.
What I'm saying is that friendship, boyfriend and girlfriend, or courtship, anything because the way marriage never enter.
But I believe say that from that boyfriend, girlfriend,
for some kind of sacrifice.
Marriage.
You know, to me, you know they enough for some kind of sacrifice because you need to be sure of say this person is part of me. You know when you marry a person, that person don't be part of you.
Yes. But some people do it, but still marry themselves. They don't see the part of you.
Another thing again. Which kind of crime the girl commits? Because we need to look the thing in the broader spectrum.
Yeah, for you to see, say your bailout fund na 29 million. It means say na grievous thing.
If the grievous thing is say na murder, she go serve her.
No, that one agree.
If na murder by mistake, uncle. Like Oscar Pistorius own.
That's not murder by mistake.
No, you did there. He said a mistake.
But at the release, I heard they put her now.
House arrest.
5 years house arrest. Not mistake prison.
No, which kind of prison for your uncle house?
You know
Now young house in there now. Everything they said, where I won't go before.
Now still prisoner.
Where I won't go before.
The name prisoner still cycle on sky.
Hey, I beg make we run drag go for city. When we come back, we go yarn the matter. They go if you get 30 million, they dash you the money, and your partner commits crime, go jail 29 million. You go take bail am. What you go do? They think will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.